I'm Lola. Hello.
Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up and then I clean up all my bed, my room. So I'm yet to freshen up, so let me first freshen up myself. Oh. Yeah, I'm so excited for today because I am going to cook our Naga traditional food, authentic food in an earthen pot, and I am so excited. But before that, let me first wash my face. Now my skin feels so fresh. So guys, just now I used the Cure Skin cleansing face wash, and now I'm gonna use my moisturizer from Cure Skin. And I just love this moisturizer because it doesn't have any smell and it feels so good on my skin. For me, I'm a person who always apply moisturizer, sunscreen, everything, even though if I stay at home. And now at the end, I'm gonna use this Cure Skin Sun Gel. It's SPF 30 and I'm just loving this. So yeah, I will highly recommend every one of you to use sunscreen because no matter even if you stay at home, even if you go out, sunscreen is a must. As much as you need water in your life, you need sunscreen for your skin. So I apply all over my face and my neck because it's very important. And after that, I apply on my ears too. I apply on my hands, everything, everywhere, because it's all exposed. Sometimes you stay at home, but you know, normally you go out to pick up some soft dry clothes or collect clothes. Yeah, you keep going out, so applying sunscreen is very important even though you're not going out basically for shopping or for some work. Yeah, so I've been using this Sun Cure Skin products for almost 2.5 weeks. I have promised you guys to give a review about it, and yeah, I'm just loving it because in my last video I have shown you guys an acne here, over here, active acne in here, but now it's gone, but still you can see some marks here because it takes time for me for the marks to completely go off. So still there is a mark, and the bumps over, small bumps over here, it's literally improving. As you can see, there isn't much left now, but I'll still continue to use for better result. And yeah, for people who are not aware about what Cure Skin is, I have already shared in my previous video that Cure Skin is an app where the artificial intelligence technology will scan your face. So there were so many people who asked me, is it just for women? Can a man use it? So of course yes, because it's an artificial intelligence technology. It will just scan your face no matter what gender you are. They will scan your face and they will show what kind of skin problems you're facing. Like they will literally detect like all kinds of skin problems like small bumps, freckles, hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, acne marks, acne scars, everything it will show you. And there will be a dermatologist that will examine your skin, and they will curate a special skincare products for you. So you can do free consultation, free follow-up. If you have any problem, then you can just call the dermatologist. They already do listen to your problems and they will share with you everything. They even provide, you know, diet plan, lifestyle, water intake, and so many things just free of cost. And for me, I'm a person who loves to drink lots of water, so it's not a problem for me, but diet is a very problem for me, and that's the reason why I always get bloated stomach, and that really shows in my skin when I have a bloated stomach. So yeah, so they help me to, you know, follow a right diet for me, and that's how I'm following these days. Not religiously because it's difficult for me initially, but I'm trying my best, and I can see lots of improvement in my skin too. So one thing I like about Cure Skin is that there are some people who doesn't have any skin problems like acne or pigmentation or acne scar, but still you can scan your face and they will provide you personalize your skin regimen or skin routine that suits your skin type for more better and healthy skin. I'm pretty sure there are some people who are very skeptical like me, because even I have a very sensitive skin, so I tend to react a lot when I use new products. But let me guarantee that, you know, I have not faced any skin issue after I started using Cure Skin. Yeah, so for people who doesn't know your Cure Skin, then I will leave the link. It is affordable, especially even for students. It's very affordable and it is worth the price. And I have a special offer for people who are interested. Whenever you purchase it, you can apply my code Yanti100 for additional rupees 100 off, and it is just for first 50 customers. So hurry up before the offer ends. So guys, this is the cow skin, which is already cleaned properly and smoked. So I'm gonna burn this and cook it. And this is the ingredients. I'll be using this and this for curry, and this meaty leaves for chutney, onion and raja for this for chutney, and this is for the curry, and this bok choy is for to boil. So we have all the ingredients here. And I have my fireplace here. I'm outside my house. This is the kitchen which we have for the wedding. The first kitchen, we have another kitchen down there and another kitchen inside the house, but I'm gonna use this kitchen for today. My mom is helping me bringing all the firewood for cooking. I have my earthen pot here, which I'll be cooking the curry today. Amico is here. So guys, let's get started. So most of the time we used to put this inside the ash and cover it, but since it's already cleaned properly, so I don't want the ash to go inside. Especially when you eat, you don't feel like eating the ashes, right? Because you can feel it when you eat. So in order to avoid that, I'll just put it on top of this charcoal. Papi sister to warm
Huh? Huh? Should have worn a t-shirt. My face is burning and because of the Raja Jilim on my mouth. I'm mitching. Huh? Luna? Luna? Luna. I'm Luna. Hello. Hello. Now guys, chutney is done. Boil is done. We're cooking sabji. It will take some time because the chili and potato is already cooked, but we're waiting for the skin to cook properly. We'll wait for some time we have changed the water, like the water dried up, so we have added more water. So once it dries up, not dry it, once it minimizes, we will take out the chili and we're gonna mash it again. And at the end we'll put some ginger, garlic, and that rice water. So this is it. This is the rice water to make the curry more
thick.
Yeah, to make the gravy more thick, and it will soften the meat too. So yeah. Wow, satisfaction level 100.
정말. 와. 가오리 빼 잠데 킬라올래. 이렇게 해세. 와. 와우. बुरा उइली भी स्मार्ट आसे चुली तो सब गिरे ऐसे पिछली तागलू ऐसे उइली भी ताकत तो आसे 70 ओल ऐसे उइली भी ताकत तो 35 years ला ताकत या पा
69 years old.
I am 69 years old 진짜 양
See my head. Ni 먹대 screwed.
조금
So this is papat and this is skin. Yummy. And this is bok choy. This is the chutney and this is my rice. So guys, this is my plate. I have my beef skin here. I have my bok choy here. I have my chutney here, and this is the upper. So let's eat. Feeling so good. After that, after I eat food, I'm gonna eat the banana that we harvest today from our farm, from our garden. And after that, I'll rest for a while and I'll take a shower and I will sleep. So let's eat. Let's try. I love eating in this plate. We call this putsung in our Mungsun dialect. So let me know what you call in your dialect this one. Ta-da! It's spicy. Yeah. My favorite. It's very expensive in UK, so I'm gonna eat as much as I can here. Okay. Kunti siya. Ako gift. Bonus. Work it on your style. Now I want to drink water. I'm done eating now. I'm gonna eat banana now. So this is from our garden which we harvested during the daytime when I was cooking. I went down with my dad and my mom and we harvest it. Look, it's organic. This is for gauri, my favorite fruit. So good. So I always eat orange. So when I'm in UK, I normally eat strawberry and blueberry and orange and pink apple. So good. But orange is my favorite of all. My mom used to give me orange like this. Hi. Means the one who is coughing loves to eat more orange. I'm going to eat one more, but it's going to be so long, so I'll just end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you all very soon in my next video. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and once again, Happy New Year to every one of you. Thank you so much all for your prayer support when I was sick. Yeah, that's all for today.